Hello everyone. So myself Purnachandra Yadav from Nandagokula tutorials. The topic today we are going to learn is factorization. So in this factorization, what we have to observe first is the series is proper or not. For this we have an equation ax square plus bx plus c. So this series should be in the form of this equations. So see here, a equals to 5, x square is in the proper position, b and x as well as c. So we have to get this series before we do the factorization. So after identifying this is whether correct or not, let us start the sum. So in this question we have proper equation. So let us start the sum. So before starting sum, what we have to do is we have to multiply the first and last number. Okay, multiply first number with last number. Always try to multiply with the signs. Here we have plus, here we have minus. Plus into minus is nothing but minus. Minus. Now what number? 5 nines are 45. After that x square. So if you multiply first and third number, you will get minus 45 x square, right? Now let us take the factors of 45. How do you get the factors of 45? After first step multiplication of first and third line, you will get this. So you should take the factor of 45. Factors of 45 is very easy to take if you know the tables. So in which table it is going to come, you have to identify, that's all. You have many options. In that, one option has to be taken. For example, 9 5s is 45. And also you will get 45 in 5 in 1 are 10. 5 and 9 both are same. 5 9s is 45 and 9 5s is also 45. So we have one or two options in this question. 9 and 5. See, 9 5s is 45. But if you multiply these two numbers, you should get this. If you add or subtract this number, you should get the between number. So between these two numbers, what you have? Minus 4x. So you should get 4x. So for that, what you have to do? Minus this or add this. You should get this number. First, whether check it. If you add, you will get 14. If you minus, you will get 4. Right? So let us take this. 9 5 is 45. And minus you have it. You should get minus here. So if you want to get minus here, you have only two options. Minus into plus. Right, or plus into minus. So when you should get minus, you can take only these two options. Out of this, for which number you are going to give which sign, that is very important. For this it is very easy. So for middle number, what is the sign you have? That has to be given for greater number out of these two numbers, right? So for middle number we have minus. Let us give this sign to the greater number. And 1 minus we are given, and what is remaining? Plus. And x square is nothing but x and x. Okay. So now we have got the factors for this number. Now it is very easy to solve the question. Write first number as it is. Whatever you have, write first number as it is. Okay. 5x square. Instead of this number, let us take this number. What is that? Minus 9x plus 5x, and first number as it is you have to write. Third number also should write as it is. Only for middle number, instead of middle number, let us take this factors. Okay. So the minus 9x plus 5x and minus 9. See, after getting this step, let us divide this 4 numbers into 2 numbers. So for 2 numbers, you have to have the brackets. Okay. So you will get the 2 numbers in one bracket. So now let us take the common in each of the brackets. For this bracket, we have the common is nothing but the number or alphabet should be on both the sides. Here, which is common in these 2 numbers? 5 or x. 5 is not common because 5 is not a factor of 9. In 5 also we will not get 9. So let us take the x as a factor. So x See here you have x square, it means x and x. Here you have x, which is smaller, always take that. So only one x is common, not one more x. So let us take one x as common, and 5 and 9 both are not common. Let us keep it in inside only. So out of 5x square, I have taken x already outside. What is remaining here is 5x. See, I have taken 1x outside. Okay, what is remaining? 1x and 5. So 5x square is your common. 5x is your number remaining inside the bracket. Now the same way in minus 9x, x is already outside. What is remaining inside? It is 9. 5x minus 10. And both the brackets should be same. If you get both the brackets same, then your answer is be perfect. So now for this and this, for this number there is no common number. How? For 5 and 10 is not going to get divided. 5 is not a factor of 9, or 9 is not a factor of 5. And x, only one side we have x. If you have both the sides, you can take it as common. But here you don't have x on both the sides. So let us take common as 1 plus 1. If you don't have any common, always you have to take plus 1. Okay. Now, what you have to write? The same thing. 1 into 5x, 5x. Okay. Plus into minus, minus. 1 9 is a 9. Just observe one thing in this question. Both the brackets will get the same answers. Okay. If you get both the brackets same, then your sum is correct. If you are getting different signs or different numbers, then it is going to be wrong. So let us take this bracket once 5x minus 9, because it is a common one, we will write only once, and one more factor is which is outside the bracket, remaining outside the bracket, that is x plus 1. So this is the answer. So I hope everyone understood this topic, that is factorization. If you want to learn more, just like, subscribe and share my page, Nandagokula Tutorials. Thank you.